In the 50s, 60s, the 70s, and even the 80s, we were trained and taught that our DNA was static. It was rigid. It was unchangeable. And then in 1983, there was a Nobel Prize given for the discovery that our DNA is really dynamic. It's fluidable. It's interchangeable. And so we know now that our DNA can be changed. It can be reprogrammed. And then in 2000, the science of epigenetics began, where they started to document how our environment can actually change our DNA.
Epigenetics is the study of how our environment can actually change or trigger our DNA. In May 2010, there was an article in the Los Angeles Times which documented that our DNA is dynamic. Traumas can be written into our DNA program over time and can even be passed down to our future generations. Previously, we've revealed that our brain records trauma throughout our lives. And thanks to emerging scientific research, we've learned that our brain uses electrical frequencies to record trauma in our DNA. We call this the domino effect. The body is made up of electrical energy, and when trauma disrupts the energy, it sets off a negative chain reaction. This energy disruption causes distortion of our electrons on a DNA level, which results in a distortion of our molecular structure and a domino effect on our physiology and physical structure that is measurable and correctable. Thanks to state-of-the-art technology, it is now possible not only to treat our patients' symptoms, but also the root cause of their body's dysfunctions. Next, we're going to describe how Gooing Chiropractic uses the most recent scientific advancements to identify the root cause of our patients' symptoms.